Hi everybody, Nico here at Phillips Chevrolet with first time car buyer here at Phillips. Bought a brand new 2017 Corvette Grand Sport. Awesome car, great guy. Wally, congratulations my friend. How do we do for you over here?
You did great. I enjoyed the sales experience here. Was one of the nicest ones I've had.
That speaks volumes. So it makes it easy when you have a great customer and a great guy like this. So would you recommend me in the dealership to your family and friends?
Definitely.
Come see me here at Phillips Chevrolet. Thank you very much, buddy.
You're welcome.